Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and anxious when it comes to buying a used vehicle? It's a common concern. The fear of ending up with a lemon, the uncertainty of not knowing if you're getting a fair deal, and the confusion of navigating through countless car listings. But imagine a tool that could help you navigate this process with ease. That's where the Karr Check Pro app comes in. We've got the solution you've been waiting for, the Karr Check Pro app. Imagine a world where you could confidently walk into a used car dealership or meet a private seller, armed with all the information and tools you need. That's the world that Karr Check Pro invites you into. Let's dive into what this groundbreaking app has to offer. First up is our 30-point inspection checklist. This comprehensive, easy-to-follow guide empowers you to thoroughly inspect the vehicle, ensuring it meets your standards. It even offers a pass or fail verdict, taking the guesswork out of your decision. Next, our proposed integration of the latest published used vehicle value data, so you'll always know the fair market value of the vehicle you're considering. No more worries about overpaying or getting undervalue for your money. We're also proposing the integration of vehicle history and reliability ratings, providing you with real-world data on the long-term consumer satisfaction of the vehicle you're considering. Say goodbye to unexpected surprises down the line. And don't forget about title history, accident and recall data integration, and more. It's like having a crystal ball for your car's past. But that's not all. Karr Check Pro also equips you with expert negotiation strategies, helping you secure the best possible price. And to top it all off, our app will include a local mechanics directory, so you can find trusted professionals for pre-sale inspections and smog certifications. We're here to make sure your new ride is in perfect working order. With the Karr Check Pro app, this dream will soon be a reality. We've put our heart and soul into developing the Karr Check Pro app to help countless car buyers like you. But we need your support to take it to the next level. You see, your contribution is not just about funding. It's about being a part of a revolution. It's about making the daunting task of used car buying a breeze. It's about ensuring no one feels overwhelmed or anxious when stepping into a dealership or meeting a private seller. By backing our campaign, you're helping us refine and expand this app, making it even more user-friendly, adding more features, and increasing its accessibility. And not just that, you're also helping us spread the word, reaching out to car buyers across the globe, making sure that they too can make informed decisions. Your support is invaluable. This will be a free app that will offer in-app purchases to better fill the void and help give you all the data you need. Together, we can change the way people buy cars and save them from costly mistakes. Join us in creating a world where everyone can buy a used car with confidence. Back our campaign today and be a part of this automotive revolution.